In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to write Python code. This is a simple way to generate scripts, automate tasks, and build projects using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to write Python code. For example, I might type, "Write a Python script that organizes files into folders based on their type." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate the Python code, which may include functions, logic, and comments to help you understand how it works. If I want more advanced code, I can include more details in my prompt, such as specific libraries, features, or use cases. For example, I might type, "Write a Python script that uses pandas to analyze a CSV file and generate a report." Claude can also help explain the code, fix errors, or optimize it for better performance. Once the Python code is ready, I can copy or download the content and run it in my development environment. After that, I can test the script and make adjustments as needed. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to write Python code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.